Johannes Gutenberg was born between 1398 and 1404 in the city of Mainz, Germany. He was the son of a merchant who had once been a German nobleman. He learned to read and write in German and Latin and received early training as a goldsmith. In 1411, when a revolt by the craftsmen against the nobility broke out in Mainz, Gutenberg's family moved to a farm inherited by his mother in Altavilla. Later, in 1434, he lived with his mother's relatives in Strasbourg, France, and worked as a goldsmith for the city militia. In Strasbourg, Gutenberg began experimenting with printing in 1438. He thought that printing from blocks pressed onto sheets of paper was better than just copying manuscripts. However, this method took a very long time because the wooden blocks had to be carefully crafted and could only print one specific page. Gutenberg then had a creative idea to create a movable type printing press, which was a device that allowed printing text or images using metal letters that could be moved and arranged as desired. To realize this idea, Gutenberg needed a large amount of capital. He then looked for investors who were willing to fund his project. One of the investors who was interested was Johann Fust, a wealthy banker who gave a loan to Gutenberg. With Fust's help, Gutenberg was able to buy the materials and equipment he needed and rent a secret location to work. Gutenberg developed various elements of technology that already existed before to create a movable type printing press. These elements included metal letter alloy. Gutenberg created a metal alloy consisting of tin, lead, and antimony, which had properties of being hard, durable, and easy to melt. This alloy was used to make metal letters that could be used repeatedly. Oil-based ink. Gutenberg also developed ink that was based on oil, which was more suitable for sticking to metal surfaces than water-based ink that was commonly used for writing on paper or parchment. Paper that can be changed. This paper is used to receive the ink that sticks to the metal letters. This paper can be changed easily using a rolling mechanism. Printing press. Gutenberg adapted the printing press based on the wine press, which was used to squeeze grapes and produce wine. He modified the printing press by adding a mechanism to place, press, and lift the metal letters that had been arranged on the printing base. By combining these elements in a production system, Gutenberg succeeded in creating a movable type printing press in 1450. This printing press enabled the printing of written materials quickly, cheaply, and accurately compared to previous methods. His main work, the Gutenberg Bible, which was produced in 1456, is considered the oldest printed book in the Western world. The Gutenberg Bible has high aesthetic and technical quality and influenced the development of art, science, religion, and culture throughout the world.